Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Christmas is getting close. I did order this Make Joy Happen gift set from Bath & Body Works a few days back. Got here pretty quickly. I had a coupon to use. These were on sale for $30 and I used the $10 off $30, so it actually cost $20. So we'll just go ahead and get into it and we will see what is inside. As you can see, there's plenty in here. And I got it with the intent of using it for stocking stuffers because there's a lot of single items in here that can just be split apart. The first one is a bath bomb in the Snickerdoodle scent. And this scent is really nice. I tried it out in store the other week and it's just kind of cinnamony and a little bit of like warm vanilla scent. It's really good. So the bath bomb is there, and then it also comes with a small cinnamon hand sanitizer, which is really complimentary to that. I actually have another of these in my purse right now as we speak that I've been carrying around along with the winter candy apple. And then with that, we've also got the hand cream in the Snickerdoodle scent. And I love these size hand creams just to toss in your purse because I don't know about you, but at this time of the winter, my hands are like bone dry, so this is always nice to carry around. And again, makes an excellent stocking stuffer. And now we have a sugared Snickerdoodle candle, and that's the same scent as the hand cream and the bath bomb. It's a smaller candle, but still really nice. It's a single wick. And I will give this away because I had in my advent calendar a very similar candle of the same size. Now the next few things I have to admit I might keep for myself. This is a Dream Bright lotion. I've been wearing this scent. I got it in a trial size and I really enjoy it. It's just, I don't really know how to describe it. It's just really good. So there's the lotion, and it also comes with the shower gel. And the packaging is really pretty as well. And then it also comes with the full-size body spray. So as you can see, since I spent $20 for this, it was an awesome value. So we've got the full set of that. But that's not all. There's still more in here. We have a foaming hand soap, and this is in the Fresh Balsam scent. I don't know how many of you have smelled this scent, but it's kind of like a really fresh, like cut tree scent. It's really good. It's super for the holiday, and we've also got a matching candle. So another candle in the box. And this one is a 3-wick. So it's a little better than the other one. And that would be like probably something I would include with a larger gift. So let's take a recap here. We've got a 3-wick candle, a foaming hand soap, a full set of the Dream Bright, a smaller candle in the Snickerdoodle, hand cream, hand sanitizer, and a bath bomb, all for $20. I think that was a really good deal. I did link to this set below in the video description if you'd like to see more details about the items in this set. So I thank you once again for tuning in to watch my video. I hope you are having a really happy holiday season no matter what you celebrate. And like and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. Take care and have a good night.